Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Listening Room. I'm Anna, your English teacher.
And I'm Mark, your English learner friend.
Great to see you, Mark. How are you today?
I'm good, Anna. I feel great, but my wallet feels a little empty.
Oh no, your wallet feels empty? Then today's topic is perfect for you.
Really? What are we talking about?
We're talking about money, how to manage it, save it, and use it wisely.
Ah, money. I think everyone wants more of it.
True, but what's even better is learning how to manage your money well.
That sounds useful. Let's begin.
So, Mark, tell me, what comes to your mind when you hear the word money?
I think of shopping, paying bills, and maybe saving.
Good. We use money every day to buy things, pay for services, or save for the future.
Right. I use money to pay my rent, buy groceries, and go out with friends.
Great examples. We say, I spend money on something.
Ah, spend money on. Like, I spend money on food and clothes.
Exactly.
Sometimes I spend too much money.
Don't we all? That's why learning to make a budget is so important. Let's start with this word, budget.
I've heard that word before. What does it mean exactly?
A budget is a plan for your money. It helps you know how much you earn, how much you spend, and how much you can save.
Oh, so it's like a map for my money?
Yes, perfect. It's your money map.
I like that. So how do I make a budget?
Step 1. Write down how much money you earn every month. That's your income.
My income is my salary, right?
Yes, if you have other money, like from a side job or gift, that's income too. Step 2. Write down your expenses. That's what you spend money on, like rent, food, transport, phone bills, and fun.
Expenses. Got it. So I list all my expenses.
Exactly. Then, step 3, compare your income and expenses.
Okay. If I spend less than I earn, that's good.
Right. That means you can save money.
And if I spend more than I earn?
Then, you're in debt. You owe money to someone or to the bank.
Ouch, I don't want that.
Let's learn some money idioms.
Sounds fun.
First, money doesn't grow on trees.
That's true. It means money is hard to get.
Exactly. You must work for it. For example, my dad always says, money doesn't grow on trees when I ask for new shoes. Or, remember, money doesn't grow on trees. You should save it, not waste it. Second, save for a rainy day.
That means saving for the future, right?
Yes, for when something bad or unexpected happens. For example, I always save a little money for a rainy day. Or, you should save for a rainy day in case your car breaks down. Third, to live within your means.
That means to spend only what you can afford.
Perfect! You're learning fast. For example, I try to live within my means by following my budget. Or, if you live within your means, you won't have debt. Living within your means is important if you want to save money. Okay, listeners, time to practice. Repeat after me. Money doesn't grow on trees. Save for a rainy day. To live within your means.
That's fun. It feels like a real class.
That's the goal. Now, Mark, how do you try to save money?
Well, I try not to eat out too often. I cook at home.
Great idea. Cooking at home saves a lot of money.
I also try to buy things when they're on sale.
Excellent. On sale means the price is lower than usual. Other tips to save money? Don't buy things you don't need. Compare prices before you buy. Put a little money aside each month.
Put money aside. That means save it, right?
Exactly. Put money aside means to save it for later. Okay, listeners, repeat after me again. I'm saving money. I put money aside every month. I buy things when they're on sale.
This is really helping me remember the words.
Absolutely. Repetition is the key to learning. So you've made a budget, but how do you stick to it?
That's the hard part.
True. To stick to a budget means to follow the plan and not overspend.
I think I need to practice that.
Everyone does. One trick is to use cash instead of cards.
Why?
Because when you pay with cash, you can see the money leaving your hand.
Oh, that makes it real.
Exactly. Also, try to track your spending. Write down what you buy.
Track my spending, write it down, like a record.
Yes, it helps you see where your money goes. Repeat after me. I stick to my budget. I track my spending. I pay with cash.
It feels like I'm learning to speak naturally.
That's the idea.
What if I still don't have enough money?
Good question. Many people live from paycheck to paycheck.
What does that mean?
It means they spend all their money before the next paycheck arrives. They have no savings.
That's stressful.
Yes, that's why we try to build an emergency fund, money saved for problems or accidents.
An emergency fund, like money for car repairs or doctor bills.
Exactly. It gives you peace of mind.
What if I already have debt?
Then you must plan to pay it off, little by little.
Pay it off? That means finish paying?
Yes. For example, I'm paying off my credit card.
Got it.
And try not to borrow money unless you really need to.
I see. So borrow less, save more.
Perfect summary. Now, listeners, repeat after me. I live from paycheck to paycheck. I'm paying off my debt. I'm saving for an emergency fund.
I think I'll start saving right after this podcast.
That's the spirit.
You know, Anna, people always say money can't buy happiness.
That's a famous saying. It means happiness doesn't come from money alone.
But money can make life easier.
Yes, it can help you feel safe and comfortable, but real happiness comes from friends, family, and health.
So maybe money can't buy happiness, but it can buy coffee.
True, and coffee makes many people happy. Let's learn more collocations with money. Make money means to earn money. Spend money on. It means to use money for something. Waste money means to use money badly. Save money. It means to keep it for later.
Can I say, I wasted money on something I didn't need?
Yes, that's perfect.
I often waste money on snacks.
Me too. You're not alone. Now, listeners, repeat after me. I make money. I spend money on food. I save money for the future. I don't waste money.
This is easy to follow.
That's the goal, to make learning clear and simple. Okay, Mark, let's do a small role play.
You were talking to your friend about your budget.
Ready?
Ready?
I'll start. Hey, Mark. Do you have a budget?
Yes, I do. I write down my income and expenses every month.
That's great. What do you spend most of your money on?
I spend most of my money on rent and food.
Do you save any money?
I try to put some money aside every month, but sometimes I forget.
Don't worry. It takes time to build a habit.
Thanks, Anna. I'll stick to my budget this month.
Perfect. Listeners, now it's your turn. I'll ask and you answer out loud. Ready? 1. What do you spend most of your money on? 2. Do you save money every month? 3. What's one thing you can stop spending money on?
This is like a conversation class.
Yes, you're practicing speaking and thinking in English. Great! Let's review today's main points. Money doesn't grow on trees. It means it's hard to earn. Make a budget. It's a plan for your income and expenses. Stick to your budget. It means don't overspend. Save money. It means put money aside for the future. Avoid debt. It means pay off what you owe. Live within your means. It means spend less than you earn.
That's a lot, but I remember most of it.
Wonderful! Repetition helps. Now, let's explain the new words and idioms we learned today. Vocabulary. Budget. It's a plan for how to spend and save money. Income means money you earn from work or other sources. Expenses, things you spend money on. Debt, it means money you owe. Savings, it's some money you keep for later. Emergency fund, some money saved for unexpected problems. Idioms. Money doesn't grow on trees means money is not easy to get. Save for a rainy day means save money for future problems. Live within your means spend only what you can afford. From paycheck to paycheck means when you have just enough money to live until the next paycheck. Collocations. Make money, it means earn money. Spend money on, it means use money for something. Waste money, it means use money badly. Save money, it means keep it for later. Put money aside, it means save it for the future. Stick to a budget, it means follow your plan. Track your spending, it means write down what you buy.
That's a great list. I can use these words in my daily life.
That's the idea. Language is more fun when it's practical. Well, Mark, that's the end of today's episode.
I learned so much. I'll make a budget tonight.
Wonderful! Remember, managing money well helps you live better.
And I'll save for a rainy day.
Excellent!
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome, Mark. And thank you, dear listeners, for joining us today.
Keep practicing your English every day.
And remember, every word you learn is an investment in your future. Bye for now.
Bye for now.